Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to fetch or retrieve a single product by the product ID. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the thing that I have to just copy it, that is from JSON. Okay, so let's go to the postman and let's add this one. We have to put the IDs over here, right? So here we have to put the ID of this product, so let's make it the product like this. Okay, let's try to send this. So here we retrieve the product detail, so I think it's the one which have everything. So here we have the image section, image is there. I think all the images are there, so I think this is that one. If I just click it, so this is here the image. If I just click on this, yeah, this image is also there, so that means all the images are there, so you can just loop it and show the images in the gallery. Okay, so this is how we retrieve a single product. So first part is list all the products, then go to the detail page. Okay, so all the necessary things we have, right? So you can use it. The next one, that is add to cart functionality. So I need to add this product to the cart. So in the next video we are doing add to cart part. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.